Hey there, health explorers. What if I told you that one simple habit, drinking lemon water, could change your life in just 30 days?
But wait, don't rush to the kitchen just yet. Let me tell you a story of what actually happens when you commit to this sour little ritual for a whole month. Stick with me till the end. What happens after day 15 will blow your mind. Day 1 3. The sour start. In the first 3 days, your taste buds are confused. Sour, refreshing, you are not sure yet, but your digestive system, oh, it loves it. Lemon water stimulates bile production, which makes digestion smoother. That bloated feeling after eating, it starts fading. Some people even notice a slight decrease in appetite. Why? Because lemon water balances your blood sugar. Day 4 7. The detox effect begins. Now, your body starts to flush out toxins. That's right, lemon water acts like a mild detoxifier. You might notice clearer skin and yes, more bathroom visits too. It's your body cleaning house. But here's where most people quit because they feel tired. Not because lemon water is bad, but because the detox is working. So hang in there. Day 8:14. The energy surprise. 2 weeks in something magical happens, you start waking up fresher. Lemon water's vitamin C gives your immune system a boost and your body adjusts to the hydration. And here's the bonus, your breath smells better. No more morning dragon breath. Day 15:21. Your skin says thank you. This is when people around you start noticing. Hey, your skin is glowing. Yup, the antioxidants in lemons combined with hydration reduce blemishes and inflammation. Some report that even acne scars start to fade. Now that's a free skincare routine in a glass. Day 22:28. Mental clarity hits. Here's the part no one talks about. Mental clarity. Your mind feels lighter, sharper. Why? Hydration plus potassium from lemons equals better brain function. Less brain fog, better mood. You're not just surviving mornings, you're conquering them. Day 29:30. The transformation. It's day 30. You look in the mirror, you feel lighter, brighter, more confident. You didn't do a crazy diet, just one tiny change every morning. But here's the twist, what if you stop now? What will happen if you quit lemon water tomorrow? Well, here's what experts say. Lemon water is safe for most people, but if you have sensitive teeth or ulcers, consult a doctor. Otherwise, this habit can be your silent health partner, just one cup every morning.
So, will you try it for 30 days or are you still waiting for the right time? Sometimes the smallest habits lead to the biggest changes. Watch our next video where we show you liver detox before and after vertical bar fatty liver cure naturally. Don't miss it.